Alright, so I am waiting for Justin to get his motorcycle ready over here. He's working on it behind the old Dodge truck, and hopefully we will be ready to roll pretty soon. Yep. We're gonna take Heckle out in the snow. Woohoo!
This footage of the Broncos was shot about 6 months ago, and the orange 1984 Bronco is currently at a mechanic shop, thank you to Justin, who put a new battery on it and took it over to get it worked on. It is getting some upgrades in hopes that very soon I can fly to Washington State and attempt to drive it back to Texas.
It has seen better days. I don't know, man. I could not do anything that impressive. I cannot match you on the snow. There's no way. Oh my God, it's wearing me out. Okay, so this will be my first ride on a Honda 650 single cylinder. This is more of a true dual sport compared to my it's tall compared to my V-STROM. No broken legs. Oh yeah, this thing definitely tracks a whole lot easier. Oh yeah. It's a little tall for me. It's getting some fresh snow. Yeah, fresh snow. Oh yeah, that is way easier. Way easier. Oh yeah. Oh, I've even got my feet up. Ah! Ah! It's a little trashed because people have ridden through here already. Woo! All right. Ah! Justin, I'm coming to you. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's all right. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. Come on, baby. Ah! Come on. Come on. Ah! 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 Yeah. Ah! Oh my God. Wearing myself out. Well, it's set. All right, Justin is coming to save the day. We finally went down. Oh, we finally went down. I got too cocky. Oh, the poor V-STROM went down. Well, I'm glad I didn't go down in that. So, Justin, I have a question for you. Why do you think some people enjoy suffering for fun?
Because it's better for fun than not for fun. I don't know.
Do you find it fun? Do you find what we just did fun?
As long as we're together, it's kind of fun. Yeah.
I think it's fun,
Yeah,
but I don't understand exactly why.
I don't know.
It's an interesting question.
Yeah, it is.
I really think there's just humans who enjoy the challenge and pushing themselves.
Yeah.
And for some reason we draw on that experience in life.
Yeah.
Somehow it feeds our soul somehow.
We gotta push ourselves to get better at something.
I like that. No, it was fun, but I think it's a legitimate question. I think it's very interesting.